These are 10 incredible website galleries with real examples that I love to visit every time I'm looking for web design inspiration. Starting off with a bang. If you want to see the absolute most cutting edge animation and interaction design on the web, then you have to check out Godly. These hand-curated sites are some of the best live examples of real websites that are pushing the boundaries of design and animation. You can view by keyword or browse the directory to see all of the different categories you can filter by. I love that they break down the type, the fonts, the libraries that were used, the style, and the platform. This is really great if you're looking to figure out how these sites are actually implemented, because for example, this uses the Lennis.js library of animations, and you can use that yourself. David Hellman is behind Best Website Gallery. He started it in 2008, and it serves as a collection of his favorite sites that he shares to inspire others. There are tons of unique websites here from all over the world, and you can find screenshots and also search by color and see other sites that have similar colors and characteristics. Awards with 3 W's is one that we all know and love. You can come here to check out some of the sites that have been nominated as the best on the web. You can also browse by country, by font, by color, by what's popular, and you can vote for your favorites. Need inspiration for a homepage design, landing page, marketing page, or one-page site? Look no further than One Page Love. There are over 8,285 single-page websites dating all the way back to 2008. There are some really nice examples here, from the most simple to the more complex. Another great place to find landing page inspiration is Lappa Ninja. There are lots of tags and categories that you can sort through, and colors to help you pin down exactly what you're looking for, and you can also find some free templates here as well. Looking for minimalist site design inspiration? Then Minimal Gallery is the spot. Created by Pete Terhayden, there are tons of beautiful, simple, and functional examples that you can explore by category. There's also a great new section here on templates, so you can browse by popular website builders. Site Inspire is a showcase of the finest web design curated by Daniel Howells. You can search by style, type, subject, or platform, or just browse the collection. SaaS Landing Page lets you discover, you guessed it, the best SaaS landing pages on the web. You can search by page type and even find some great templates here. Landbook is an awesome collection of beautiful websites and landing pages, and you can search by color, typography, style, industry, and more. Sort of pronounced hipster is a gallery by Dominic Whittle that features the hippest trending design styles by date, so you can scroll the timeline or click on the directory to browse a specific style.